Okay, this is kind of a cool street. So the name of it is Della Cavallerizza. So we're gonna walk down this street. That's the sign right there. Kind of see that? And we're gonna walk all the way down it. Before we do, I'm just gonna kind of show you real quick what else is around here. So we kind of have these other streets like that, then like this one, kind of a beautiful building, and this whole thing, Lago Fernandina. So we're gonna go down that this one right here, and you can see quite a few people all the way down there as well. Okay. Okay, so let's check this one out. So that's the name of the street right up there. And we'll try to highlight this street a little bit, show you what's on it. It's a nice density. It's some pretty nice side streets as well. Let's see, Dream Cafe, looks kind of cool. Really nice. Okay, so yeah, we're here in Naples, Italy. There's our street right there. See the street sign? We also have some pretty interesting side streets too. So some so a lot to Naples, a lot that I just don't really know. Huh. It's really nice. Stuff like that. Yeah, lights are just starting to come on as well. Actually, those look kind of cool too. Yeah, really nice area. This area is let's see what this is. Yeah, that place looks really nice. Cool. Some artwork here. It's really nice streets in Naples. That was one of the main streets I just went down a little while ago, so I think it's called Pisignano, I believe. Keep on going down it. Oh, it's like a Danish flag there. All right. So we're gonna come out into some kind of a plaza area here. Piazza. That's really nice. Okay, let me see if we can capture the feeling of this whole area. It's kind of a cool space. Yeah, it's really nice. That looks pretty cool. We got some nice alleys as well. And we'll keep on moving up. Yeah, really nice area. Go all the way up to the top here. Yeah, really cool spot. Okay, right. So that's okay. Let's try to capture that from a really good angle here. There we go, right there. That's perfect. All right. We kind of let's go through like this. Yeah, that looks really cool like that.
Non dispiace assolutamente, non lo voglio dire da te, tutti i ricordi, con la mano che così, ma non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tu? Guarda sera Dindoli, è Dindoli, ma viva la Spagna, Dindoli,